If you want to stay healthy and never get sick, you need this remedy. Have you ever wondered why some people never get sick? Their energy is high, their mind is clear, and they feel amazing every day. The secret is in what they consume. This simple, natural remedy has kept people strong and disease-free for years. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Ginger, the ultimate shield, your natural medicine. We start with 50 grams of fresh ginger. Peel it, cut it into small pieces, and let its natural power work for you. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory, helping your body fight off pain and swelling. It strengthens your immune system, acting as a natural shield against colds and flu. It improves digestion, helping your body absorb nutrients better. Step 2. Orange, vitamin C. Boost your immune booster. Next, take one fresh orange and squeeze out the juice. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system. They help fight free radicals that cause aging and disease. They support heart health and improve circulation. Step 3. Lemon, natural detox. Cleanse your body. Now grab one lemon and squeeze out the juice. Lemons have strong antibacterial properties that fight infections. They flush out toxins from your liver and kidneys. They help keep your skin clear and glowing. Step 4. Turmeric, the golden healer. Reduce inflammation. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mix. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory that reduces joint pain. It fights bacteria and viruses, keeping your body strong. It supports brain function and memory. Step 5. Blend and strain. Blend and drink daily. Pour 200 milliliters of water into a blender. Add all the ingredients and blend until smooth. Then strain the liquid to remove any fibers. Drink 15 to 20 milliliters every morning on an empty stomach for the best results. Store the rest in a glass bottle in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Within days, you'll feel lighter, more energetic, and your immune system will be stronger than ever. Follow for more content like this.